got it, you know that I want it. As soon as you walk through, I knew that you'll be perfect for me. Perfection, that's what you blessed with. Ain't no other girl I'm tryna get next to. Ooh, cause I mess with the way you look through them eyes, your pretty face and them thighs. I'm so intrigued by your mind, and not to mention your style, baby.
Whoa, little sexy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these super cute, what is called passion twists. I was originally just going to do some fluffy twists, but I was doing my research and I came across this video on YouTube, which I will link down below. This girl created these passion twists and I'm like, sis, those are cute. So I decided to do these twists instead. They're super easy. I'm not gonna lie, it did take me a little while to get the hang of how to do the root, but just don't give up, girl, because honestly excuse me, I'm a little sick today, my nose is stuffy, but honestly I started doing this one night and I only did like 3 twists. I'm like, look, I can't do this tonight. I need to just take these out and go to sleep, try again tomorrow. So yeah, I tried again the next day, and even the next day was still kind of hard, but since it wasn't so late, I'm like, okay girl, you still got time, like keep trying. And so I kept trying and I eventually got the hang of it. And they came out super cute. I am absolutely in love with these. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching.
Alright you guys, so this is the hair that I used. It's this Bobbi Boss water wave hair in 12 inches. And I got 2 packs, or I used 2 packs of this 430 color. And then I also used 2 packs of just a regular color number 2. And so in order to prep this hair, all I did is took a Denman brush and kind of brushed it out lightly. You don't want to try and actually get through the hair. It's just to fluff it out. And then here's the difference between the hair being fluffed and how the hair came. So once you're done with that, you're ready to start twisting. And I'm using this Shine and Jam for my roots. And you guys, I did not use a comb at all. I just used my finger to section my sections. And so I'm just going to add that Shine and Jam to my root. And then I'm going to split this section in 2. So now I'm taking 2 pieces of hair and I'm going to start my section. And all you want to do is hold it super tight. And then this part, it really depends on how you twist. But for me, I had to twist away from my face. And I started with the back section. And so I would twist away from my face. And then I would act as if I was gonna start the twist, which I'm slowing down later on in the video, so don't worry, I definitely have other footage of me doing this. But so I'm acting as if I'm gonna start a twist, but instead I'm gonna stop and twist the other section. And I know that probably sounds like, girl, what are you talking about? But don't worry, for the last twist at the front of my head, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. But after you twist both the sections, then you're just going to twist all the way down and twirl the bottom on your finger. And this is how it looks. So now I'm just doing the same thing, applying that Shine and Gem to my root, separating the section in half. And I also forgot to show you guys how I did the hair. So you start with 2 sections and you don't want to hold them directly in half. You see how there's these shorter pieces and then it gets longer? That's how you make it so it's not only 12 inches. And so now I'm going to show you slower. So I'm starting with the section away from my face and I'm twisting away from my face. And I do that until this one feels nice and tight against my scalp. And then I'm going to act as if I am starting the twist. So this is how I would start the twist, but instead of actually twisting, I'm going to stop, and now I'm twirling this section the same direction, so backwards. And then once they're both nice and twirled, then you can start your twist. So if you need to rewind, feel free to rewind, but it's that simple once you get the hang of it and once you figure out which way you twist, because I know some people twist backwards, some people twist forward. So it really just depends. And then this is how it looks once I'm done. And yeah, here is just the leftover hair that I didn't use from the 4 packs.
Alright you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I really absolutely love this style. and I'll definitely be doing it again because like I said, it only took 4 packs of hair, girl, and it's just so cute and like effortless. So I'll have more details in the description box as far as the exact hair that I used, how many packs, all that stuff. So definitely check the description box down below. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you'd like, and yeah, any questions, comments, or concerns, I will for sure answer, so leave them in the comments. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey, it's my baby and she perfect.